If you're seeing LibreOffice error 533 in Calc, don't worry. This usually means one very specific thing. Nested arrays are not supported. In other words, Calc is telling you that the formula or bracket structure you entered is too complex because one array is being placed inside another array. In this video, I'll show you exactly what causes the error and how to fix it quickly, even if you've never worked with arrays before. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, let's understand the problem. In LibreOffice Calc, arrays are often written with curly brackets, and they're used to store multiple values together in a single formula. The error appears when you accidentally create a nested array, which means you put one bracketed set inside another bracketed set. Calc does not support that structure, so instead of calculating the result, it throws error 533. A common example is when you try to build a list of values and accidentally wrap an already bracketed group inside another set of brackets. Even if the values themselves are correct, the nesting is what causes the issue. So the first thing you should do is look closely at your formula and check for double brackets or any array-like structure inside another array. To fix it, you want to flatten your brackets. That means if you are simply trying to list static values, you should combine them into one single set of curly brackets, not multiple nested sets. Keep the structure simple and unnested. For example, instead of trying to place one array inside another, rewrite the formula so all values sit in one flat array structure. If you're editing a formula, remove the extra outer brackets or inner bracketed section until there is only one array layer left. In many cases, that alone will clear the error immediately. The goal is to make Calc read the values as one straightforward list instead of a nested array that it can't process. If you still get the error after flattening the brackets, go back and inspect the full formula carefully. Sometimes the problem is not obvious at first glance, especially if the formula was copied from another source or built step by step. Check for any extra braces, commas, or structure that might be creating a second array layer. Another good habit is to simplify the formula and test it in smaller pieces. If the formula is long, break it down and confirm that each part works on its own before combining it again. This makes it much easier to spot where the nested array is happening. So, to recap, LibreOffice Calc Error 533 means nested arrays are not supported. The fix is to remove accidental double brackets and flatten the formula into one simple single layer array. Once you do that, Calc should accept the formula normally. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more LibreOffice tips, troubleshooting guides, and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.